Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can insert a frame into your website projects and pages you edit on Framer.com. So let us dive into this. So guys, as you can see, I'm inside that example website project here in the Framer website editor. What you want to do, guys, is there are two ways how you can insert these frames. Option number one, you select layout at the top and choose the frame option. You may also use the shortcut F. And then use your left mouse to draw, I don't know, a rectangle like this, which is going to resemble your frame. Once you release your left mouse, there you go. Now we can position, for example, other components and sections inside that frame. As you can see, guys, if I try to move that frame, it will snap to that header here. So what you want to do is left click into it, and here in these settings under position, switch from type relative to type absolute. You can also go with any of these, but I will go with absolute. And now, guys, you can move that frame across or along your page using these lines here for orientation, for example, to center it. And that's option number one. Option number two would be to, let me just remove that frame, would be to convert, for example, components or layers into frames. So again, navigate to the layers tab, right click into any of your layers, like this header here, logo string, right click into it, choose add frame, or use that option here, control enter. And that is going to create a frame here in your layers menu with all layers below listed under that frame. And again, you can change the position here from relative to absolute to change its position. Sorry, that's not the frame. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.